Let me ask you something. Are you working hard every single month, but somehow still broke by the end of it? You're making money. You're trying. But it just disappears. If that sounds familiar, this video is going to change how you think about money. Because here's what nobody told you. It's not about how much you earn. It's about what you do with it. Today, I'm going to show you 5 money mistakes that are silently keeping you broke, and most people have no idea they're making them. Mistake number 4. I was personally doing it for 3 years, and it cost me thousands of dollars without me even realizing it. So stay till the end, because the last mistake is the most dangerous one, and almost nobody talks about it. Let's get into it. Welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm really glad you're here. This channel is about one thing: helping you build real financial freedom. Not the Instagram version, the actual version. We talk about money, business, investing, and most importantly, the things schools never taught you. Now, before we dive in, I want to be honest with you. These 5 mistakes I'm about to share, they're not theories from a textbook. These are real mistakes, made by real people, including me. And they are costing people thousands every single year. Here's the part that might surprise you. You might be making all 5 of them right now, and not even know it. All right, let's start with mistake number 1. And honestly, this one alone might be why your bank account never seems to grow. Mistake number 1. Spending before saving. Here's how most people handle their paycheck. And I want you to see if this sounds familiar. Money comes in. Bills get paid. You buy what you need, maybe a little of what you want, and then at the end of the month you think, whatever's left I'll save. Does that sound like you? Here's the problem. There is never anything left. Lifestyle always expands to fill your income. This is called Parkinson's law of money, and it is quietly destroying people's financial futures. Studies show that over 60% of people between 20 and 35 have less than 1 month of savings. Not because they don't earn enough, because they spend first and save last. The fix is simple. It's called pay yourself first. The moment money hits your account, before you pay anyone, before you buy anything, you move a percentage straight to savings. Even if it's just 10%. Even if it's $50. Warren Buffett said it best. Do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving. That one shift. Paying yourself first. That is the foundation of every wealthy person's financial life. Are you currently saving before you spend, or hoping something's left at the end? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Mistake number 2. Having no budget. I know. The word budget sounds restrictive. It sounds like you can't enjoy your life. But I want to reframe this for you completely. A budget is not a prison. A budget is a permission slip. When you have a budget, you know exactly how much you can spend on food, on fun, on subscriptions, guilt-free. Without one, you spend anxiously, and you never feel in control. Here's the simplest system that works. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs: rent, food, transport. 30% goes to wants: entertainment, eating out. And 20% goes straight to savings and investments. That's it. 3 categories. Not a spreadsheet with 47 rows. Now here's the real question. And I want you to think about this honestly. Do you know where your money went last month? Not roughly. Exactly. If you don't, that's the problem. You can't fix what you can't see. Pick one budgeting app this week. Start tracking. You will be surprised by what you find. Mistake number 3. And this one genuinely hurts me to talk about because I see it everywhere. Waiting to invest. I'll start investing when I have more money. Investing is for rich people. It's too risky right now. Sound familiar? Here is the truth about time and money that nobody taught you in school. It's called compound interest. And Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. If you invest just $100 per month starting at age 22, with an average 10% annual return by age 60, you will have over $630,000. Wait until age 32 to start. Same $100 a month. Same return. You end up with $230,000. Same money. Same effort. A 10-year delay costs you $400,000. Let that sit for a moment. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. You need time. And time is the one thing you cannot buy back. We're going to cover beginner investing in depth in a future video on this channel. So make sure you're subscribed, because that video could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars to you. Mistake number 4. And remember, I told you at the beginning this one personally cost me thousands of dollars. Lifestyle inflation. Here's how it works. You get a raise. You get a better job. Your income goes up. And almost immediately, your spending goes up with it. Better apartment. Newer phone. More eating out. Nicer clothes. You earn more, but you feel exactly the same. Because your lifestyle just quietly expanded to match your new income. This happened to me for years. Every time I made more money, I found ways to spend more money. And my savings, they barely moved. The wealthy don't do this. When their income goes up, their savings rate goes up. Not their spending. There's a concept called living below your means. And it is the single most consistent habit I see in every wealthy person I've ever studied. The rule is simple. When your income increases, increase your savings by at least 50% of that increase. Get a $500 raise. Put $250 straight into savings. Keep the rest for your life. This one habit, started today, will make you wealthy over time. Has your spending ever gone up every time your income went up? Tell me in the comments. No judgment. It happens to almost everyone. And now, mistake number 5. The one I said was the most dangerous. Having zero financial education and never doing anything about it. Here's what's remarkable. You spent 12 to 16 years in school. You learned calculus. You memorized historical dates. You studied literature. But not one teacher, not one class, sat you down and taught you how taxes actually work, how credit cards make money off you, how to read a financial statement, how to negotiate your salary, how compound interest can work for you or against you. Why? Because a financially uneducated population is easier to sell to, easier to keep in debt, easier to keep working for someone else. That is a hard truth. But it is real. The good news? In 2026, you have access to more free financial education than any generation in history. YouTube, books, podcasts, communities. The only question is, are you using it? The most successful people I know have one thing in common. They are constantly learning about money, business, and investing. Not obsessively, just consistently. 30 minutes a day. One book a month. One video like this one. That is the compound interest of knowledge. And over 5 years. It separates the wealthy from everyone else. Quick pause before we close. If this video gave you even one thing you're going to use, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this information. And subscribe, because we have videos coming on investing for beginners, how to start a business with no money, and how to build multiple income streams. Real, practical content. No fluff. Now, let's bring everything together. Let's recap the 5 money mistakes that are keeping people broke. Number 1, spending before saving. Fix it by paying yourself first. Number 2, having no budget. Use the 50-30-20 rule, starting today. Number 3, waiting to invest. Time is your most valuable asset. Don't waste it. Number 4, lifestyle inflation. When you earn more, save more first. Number 5, zero financial education. Commit to learning, consistently. Here is my challenge to you. Pick just one of these 5 mistakes, the one you know you're making, and take one small action on it this week. Not 5 actions. Not a full financial overhaul. Just one step. Wealth isn't built in a day, but it is built day by day by people who simply decide to start. And you just decided to start. Right here. Today. I'll see you in the next one.